Every so often, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. This is one of those times.
Introducing the best-in-class Lavi Industries Q.
The installation starts by reviewing the location of the Q and observing the surrounding architecture. We note the space's shape and size and determine if any physical structures, such as columns, will affect the design. Passenger loads and capacity are considered for present and future expansion. Then, we locate and plan for emergency egress points and pathways. Once our analysis is complete, workers design a grid and mark the outlines with chalk. A uniform grid helps create a modular queue, providing flexibility for interchangeable equipment and pathways. Next, we affix the stanchion floor plates to the surface. This ensures the stanchion posts are correctly installed, keeping the queue neat and orderly. The floor plate adhesive creates a strong bond, yet is non-invasive and doesn't damage the existing floor, like other techniques such as core drilling or bolting. The floor plate can be removed without marking or damaging the original floor. Once the floor plates are ready, stanchions and other equipment can be installed. Each stanchion snaps firmly into place. The embedded magnetics in the base creates a solid bond to the floor plate.
Even under the most crowded conditions, stanchions will remain upright, guests will remain safe, and queuing configurations will remain intact, while still allowing for quick removal when needed.
For the innovation checkpoint, we're installing double-belted ADA-compliant stanchions in the heart of the queue and panel barriers and gates around the edges. This provides optimal security along the perimeter of the queues while offering flexibility with pathway layout, enabling the creation of shortcut lanes and a K9 area. Magnetic stanchions adjacent to the egress gates are bolted to the floor plate to create even greater stability for egress points. The egress gates themselves use magnetic closures to keep the gates firmly closed. Next, we install the panels. There are many varieties of panels, and we are using 3 distinct styles in this queue. Clear panels are used throughout the queue to provide a more secure barrier than a standard retractable belt. Clear panels help keep sight lines open and enhance security. Solid panels are used around the perimeter of the K9 area. Solid panels keep K9s focused by preventing visual and olfactory distractions from adjacent areas. The third type of panel is for signage. These graphics provide the passenger with important security information, marketing, and directional clues.
Overhead signage, integrated at the queue entrances, provide clear, unambiguous wayfinding without taking up additional floor space. Additionally, portable sign stands are used in the terminal area. This signage helps inform passengers prior to entering the security queue.
The Lavi Industries queue is designed to be adjusted quickly during overflow and peak demand. Shortcuts or bypasses can be created to account for passenger volume. By adjusting a few belts, passengers can bypass the main switchbacks and head directly to the TDCs. This flexible queue can also contain a K9 explosive section when needed. To convert, security personnel remove a few stanchions from the floor plates and reroute a couple of belts. The area is now ready for K9s who can enter through a side gate. Passenger safety is always a key concern when designing a queue. To prevent passengers from becoming trapped in the queue, strategically placed egress gates provide quick relief through panel walls in the case of an emergency. Additionally, all retractable belts within the queue have breakaway belt ends. These allow the belt to snap away from the post as a person runs through it, enabling people to escape the queue even from the center area. Once the installation is complete, the crew conducts quality control tests to ensure all stanchions, gates, and panels work correctly and make necessary adjustments. Once finished, Lavi Industries' state-of-the-art system is ready to take in passengers, control crowds, improve customer flow, and enhance the customer experience. Contact us today to find out more.